Welcome to the course of Human Resource Management. As we all know that industries across the globe today are facing the various challenges posed by changing economic scenario. In order to survive and to get a competitive advantage over their competitors, organizations are continuously striving to improve their quality, enhance their productivity, organizational effectiveness, and efficiency. And for this, organizations need collaborative efforts from employers and employees as well. And here starts the significance and role of human resource management. Human resource management is concerned with the effective and efficient management and utilization of people or personnel dimension in the organization. When we talk about 5 resources of organizations, these are man, money, material, machine, and methods. Out of these 5 resources, man is the key driver who is driving all other resources in order to achieve organizational objectives. In the modern competitive world, organizations are leveraging the strength of their human resources to win over the competitors. How do they do this? Human resources or people, they offer their bundle of knowledge, skills, abilities, behaviors, and language to implement organizational strategies effectively. This is people in organization who craft and design organizational strategies and policies to win a competitive edge over their competitors. And next, in the modern economy and changing dynamics, innovation is the key for success of any organization. And this is people who bring innovation and creativity in the organization. So there is no surprise that every organization, in order to achieve higher efficiency and to accomplish their organizational objectives in an effective way, need to reinforce effective management of their human resources, people, or their personnel. And this course deals with the effective and efficient management of human resources in the organization. This course will be conducted in 8 weeks, covering almost 40 modules. The course majorly will deal with 6 sections of human resource management. The sections will be dealing with nature, concept, history, and evolution of human resource management. Another section will be dealing with recruitment, selection, induction, and socialization of human resources. One section will be dealing with training and development and motivating human resources. Another section will be covering concepts related to performance appraisal, potential appraisal, wage determination, and job evaluation segment of human resource management course. And then we will be discussing concepts like industrial relations, dispute resolution, grievance management, and the challenges and developments which are taking place in the field of HR. So I wish you all a very happy studying in the coming 8 weeks of this course. Thank you.